I'm here to take you through a brief about how we wish to take M-Pesa forward in Tamil Nadu. So, first an idea of how big Vodafone is in Tamil Nadu. We cover 14,950 villages, which is 99% of the population of the state is in the expanse of our network. They get mobile network of Vodafone in their devices. In terms of number of customers, we have 1 crore 29 lakh customers in the state of Tamil Nadu, and we have a revenue market share of 21.7%. In terms of our distribution reach, we have 1.35 lakh retail points through which we service our over 1.2 crore customers in terms of selling them recharges and SIM cards. And over and above that, we have 840 exclusive retail touch points, which are in formats called Vodafone stores or Vodafone mini stores. What are the opportunities for M-Pesa in Tamil Nadu? All of you are well versed with the economy of the state, but let me point out three distinct opportunities. Number one, we are a large educational hub, and therefore we attract a lot of students. And students obviously are not the earning members of the family, and therefore they need funds from their parents to pay for their tuition fees or for their hostel fees and other sundry expenses that they have. As we speak, the state has over 37 universities, over 450 engineering colleges, arts colleges, and so on and so forth. And therefore, you can understand the potential that M-Pesa can bring in the lives of all these students who study and who move away from the place where their family exists to places where they have to complete their education. The second big opportunity is obviously on account of the high-tech auto industry that Tamil Nadu boasts of. More than 30% of Indian automobile industry is based out of this state, and therefore the amount of skilled and non-skilled workers that it attracts provides us with an opportunity of taking M-Pesa to such workers and giving them an opportunity to transfer money or use M-Pesa functionalities to serve their financial inclusion needs. And over and above that, we also have a large part of the IT sector based out of the state, and therefore, again, opportunities for people to really transact and use financial services at the convenience of at their convenience through their mobile phones. Finally, we are also a very large medical tourism hotspot, thanks to the kind of hospitals we have, whether it is Arvind Eye Care in Coimbatore, whether it is Apollo, and so on and so forth. And all this together provides Tamil Nadu with a unique opportunity to use a product like M-Pesa, a service like M-Pesa, and benefit from it and further the cause of financial inclusion in the country. We will take M-Pesa forward in Tamil Nadu through over 5,200 trained agents, and like I mentioned earlier, 840 exclusive Vodafone stores and mini stores. Out of the overall population and the expanse of our network, nearly 9,700 sites come under the M-Pesa domain, which is where we will transact for M-Pesa, and out of which 4,190 sites are where our M-Pesa agents will be covering and servicing the entire population. These are supported by 384 ICICI Bank branches which already exist in the state. So over 4,000 sites is where M-Pesa agents will be based and servicing the entire population of Tamil Nadu. I'd like now to call Mr. Suresh Sethi to take us through the functionalities of M-Pesa and how M-Pesa has moved throughout the country.